in the most recent Xiaomi event, they announced a lot of products, and this is one of them. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Buds 3 Pro. I'm not sure if they're still going to use the word Mi or just Redmi or just Xiaomi for that matter. But on the box here, we still have the Xiaomi logo, so I'm gonna call it the Redmi Buds 3 Pro nonetheless because it's better. So yeah, let's just unbox and see what it has to offer. So opening up, we got the case itself, pretty hefty. Okay. Then inside here, let me just dig out everything. USB Type-C cable. Why is it so difficult? Can I not take that out? Okay, never mind. The unboxing experience is a bit tough, but that's about it. So we got a bag of ear tips, nicely segmentized in this kind of bag here. Type-C cable, the buds themselves with the case in also these kind of plastic bags. Actually, the case itself, right, it's very robust, I would say. A bit slippery, but also quite hefty, so it wouldn't slip off your hand that easily, I guess. USB Type-C charging port at the bottom here, and then pairing button is at the front, bottom front. It's a bit weird of a location. And then opening up the hinge here, you can see that the hinge is also having this spring-like locking mechanism, so it wouldn't flop around. Taking out the earbuds, whoop, okay, not too difficult, but you still need to be careful. Kind of reminds me of the Ugreen earbuds that we reviewed like 2 years ago, something like that. So the earbuds themselves have this very weird shape. I'm not too sure if this is going to be comfortable in your ears. It's kind of flat on the inner side here, and then there's a big circle that sits on your ear. So okay, we'll give it a try later. Taking out the ear tips, so we can see that the mesh is not on the ear tips themselves, so if you want to wash it, it's going to be a bit more difficult. Oh, I just turned on ANC. Wow, the pressure build-up is intense. Okay, so somehow I got ANC to turn on. I'm not going to change the ear tip size because I can already feel the very strong pressure build-up. So yeah, I mean, that means it's going to fit my ears. Noise cancellation and transparency mode, just press and hold either earbuds. So I think it just means that this Redmi Buds 3 Pro doesn't have transparency mode. It's just normal mode with ANC turned off, so they're just calling that as transparency mode. So let's give it a quick listen and see how it actually sounds. I'm gonna play back my usual big band jazz. Okay, it actually sounds very decent. Bass is thumpy, vocals are very clear, trebles is there but it's not that much, so I would still give it a batch of comfortable listening experience, if that makes sense. And then in the user manual, it also says that you can connect up to 2 different devices simultaneously, just like the Jabra Elite 75T, which we have reviewed last year. So check it out at the top right corner there. How to use the 2 device connection mode. You just have to pair 2 devices and then it will work with 2 devices at once. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Overall features, I would say it's very basic. So play or pause your music, go to the next track. You cannot go back to the previous track for some reason, and that's about it. Before we forget, here's also a very quick microphone test of the new Redmi Buds 3 Pro. You let me know instead how this sounds down in the comment section below. It's small, compact, sounds good, has ANC but there's no transparency mode. And you can also charge the Redmi Buds 3 Pro using wireless charger if you have it, so you don't have to mess with the Type-C port at the bottom. And yeah, that's about it. So this thing is priced at 239 ringgit, which I think is at a decent price, but you do have some other competitors like the HiTune X6 that we reviewed recently. That is also a good alternative to the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. And yeah, that's all we have to share with you about these earbuds in particular. Really nothing much to talk about. It's pretty basic, but comes with good sound and also some features that people will actually use ANC. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and we'll answer you whenever we can.